Zavardi Official. Click here to subscribe. Hey guys, are you fond of hanging out or going to a zoo park? Well, this video is for you because today's video is all about doing creative toy animal park.
Mama, I want to go outside the zoo because I miss the zoo.
No, we can still go out to the zoo. We cannot go outside yet. It's not safe.
Why?
It's not safe.
Please, Mama.
Okay, I have an idea.
Thank you, Mama.
Don't throw your empty cup noodles. You can reuse them for exhibit fences. Just cut the top side and then cut it into small pieces to make it straight when making fence. Using cardboards, make a rectangular strip size enough to fit the pre-cut fence. Cut it out according to your preferred size. Now attach around it using hot glue. Place cardboard strips horizontally to hold the fence like this. I have these extra popsicle sticks, and why not make an extra exhibit fence out of it? This is just another way of making fence. There are a lot of ways to make decorative fences, but since I don't have any extra recycled materials, I think this is fine. Now let's proceed on making a floor plan. So since I don't have one large cardboard, I had to cut piece by piece and glue them together to make one large size. This is typically made with more than a square inch floor plan. Another set of materials needed. I printed zoo terrain, found on a zoo tycoon game. I just mix and match different types of terrain to look more realistic and nice to look when played. Cut them out and glue it on cardboard. Just decorate your map according to your preference. These are simply suggestions, but you make yours whatever you like. Another zoo attraction that I decided to make. Let's see how I made this simple bridge. Cut 1 inch by 30 inches size of cardboard. Make 3 pieces of it. Make a slope line on both sides. Measure 0.5 inch interval to have the same size. So excited to see the finished product. And now we're ready to glue them all together. Just be careful on using the hot glue. I have now these printed wood planks. Cut them out same size with the bridge and paste it on. Now let's make a guard trail. To make a guard trail, cut another strips like this and paste it on to same size cardboard. To make it more thicker, cut into small pieces. 2 centimeters tall is enough for me. Using a hot glue, attach it onto the side of the bridge. You can make equal interval when pasting it, and it's your choice on how much interval you want. Surround it both sides. Now cover with printed wood planks all over the sides of the bridge. Another single strips had been cut and place it on top of the guard trail. For the zoo wall, I printed bricks type, and I think I made more or less 15 pieces of this to cover the whole plan. To make it more thicker, I inserted cardboards in it. Another attraction to the zoo, I had this extra rows made with felt pad. Extra parts on my shoebox that I forget I kept it. Now we're ready to put all the things that we had made. Actually, I made 2 bridges. I have this pizza saver. Looks like it's a floating treehouse thanks to this pizza saver. Another set of Lego stars. Finishing up the walls with entrance gate. And now we're ready to put the foot trail. And while having this roast thing, my son named it as a red cabbage because it's big enough for the zoo. All set now, and the toy animals are ready to place it in. What is that?
Giraffe. Sea lion. Rhino. Thingy. Kangaroo. Giraffe. Zebra. Tigers. Hippo. Stegosaurus. Lions. Brachiosaurus. Turtle.
Your house.
And tree house. And then that's all my in the mouse. Cobblestone crocodile. I have gold crocodile and green crocodile. And then I have trees standing up. Like the button, subscribe.
This is now my DIY miniature zoo. This takes a while, but it's fun and worth a try. This is so easy, and all you need are your creative mind and a brilliant idea. This miniature idea looks amazing. And I know there's something meaningful on creating miniature zoo. Don't you agree? To recap, the materials used on these projects are mainly reused stuff. Miniature zoo is so easy to make, but kinda messy to make. But that did not never stop me doing it so. Isn't it amazing? This project good for family bonding and kids to divert their attention to the gadget. Thank you for watching. Hope you'd enjoy this video. If so, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Shout out Kerner.